Hi, this is Mark. It's June 12th, 2020. This is the frame shade that I made. It came out really sweet, and lettuce seems to really like it. I did just have it draped over for a little while, kind of hokey pokey, but I actually built a PVC square frame with a little trim piece on it, and I just took some electrical metal tubing, EMT, and just kind of pushed it into the ground to hold it in. And I don't think the wind's going to affect it too bad because the air blows right through it. It's 40% shade. It was pretty cheap. I got it on Amazon, I think. And this is what I did. I tie wrapped it. I didn't have to like sew it or do anything. I just tie wrapped it right to the PVC. And I'm going to show you an electrician's trick right here. When you break these tie wraps off, don't cut them because they turn razor sharp. And then the next guy, which is usually you, gets cut. What you do is you take your lineman pliers or any pliers and you just twist it. And now when you rub it, it's nice and soft. It won't cut you. The other thing I did here is I used the black UV resistant tie wraps. They'll last a lot longer. But yeah, it came out pretty good. And actually, as a little bonus, in the high noon, not right now, but in the high noon, it actually is a little place to, if you've got a couple chairs, you could sit under it and be nice and cool. I'll obviously take it down in the winter time, but it looks a lot nicer than the crappy thing I had on there before. So that's it. I'll show you the tomatoes real quick. Not much more to show, but I put some more cages right into my Dutch buckets. My good friend Gunther gave me a couple of real nice tomato cages because I had some breaking off here, and I got flowers right there coming in. Gonna be eating tomatoes real soon. All right, I'm excited. Thanks a lot. Bye.